Happy Thanksgiving. Gotta move the cars for people to come over, so might as well do a cold start. It was about 24-ish last night. There was frost all over the car this morning. It's gone, of course, now. Oh. Choke will kick in a minute. There she is. Now explain to me, all you armchair mechanics that say you only need to pump it once, why it wouldn't start. Exactly. So, there's cold start. I want to wish everybody happy Thanksgiving. Still pretty green around here, but can't drive the old girl. Tires are pretty bad on her. But we can move her around a little bit. Could drive her around the block, but I'm not going to do that. No time today. So we'll let her warm up and, yeah, move her a little bit. Okay, choke's finally on. We're pretty much up to temp. Sorry for the shaky camera. That leaf flew up, it scared me. I'm trying to decide where to put this thing. Like I said, we gotta move, clear the driveway. I'll put it over there. Don't know. Well, take her for a little quick jaunt around the block at the very least. I do have brakes. Okay, thought for a second I didn't have brakes. Dirty car. It is what it is, you know. I guess we'll put it next to... Shoot. It's next to the house. Yeah, that'd be best. Neighbor kid. Okay. Screw it. I'm just putting next to the keys card. actually not too bad. There we are. Alright. Little cruise in the 68 Olds from this Thanksgiving Day. Go Detroit Lions and eat lots of turkey. Have a good one, guys. Catch you later.